In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Figma designs into a Framer website step by step, quickly and easily. If you've ever designed a layout in Figma and wanted to turn it into a live website in Framer without starting from scratch, this tutorial is for you. This is a great workflow for designers, creators, and anyone building a modern website faster. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Figma. Once Figma loads, open the design you want to convert. Make sure the file is the one you actually want to bring into Framer, because this is the design that will be copied over. If your file has multiple pages or frames, choose the exact layout you want to use for your website. Next, go to Plugins in Figma. This is where you can add tools that help you move your design into other platforms. In the search bar, type Framer. You should see a plugin related to Figma to HTML with Framer. Install that plugin if you haven't already. This step is important because it creates the connection between your Figma design and your Framer project. After the plugin is installed, go back to Plugins and click the plugin again to activate it. Once it's open, the plugin will be ready to read your current Figma design. Now click on the design or frame you want to copy. This tells the plugin exactly what content you want to transfer. Be sure you've selected the right frame, because whatever is selected here is what will be prepared for copying. Now it's time to move over to Framer. Open your Framer project or create a new one if you haven't started yet. Once you're inside your project, paste the design content that you copied from Figma. Framer will bring in the structure and layout, helping you turn your design into a website section much faster than rebuilding everything manually. After pasting, take a moment to review the imported design inside Framer. Check the spacing, text, images, and overall layout to make sure everything came through correctly. Depending on your design, you may need to make a few adjustments so it looks perfect in Framer. This is completely normal, and it's part of polishing the final website. From here, you can continue building out the rest of your website in Framer. You can refine sections, add interactions, and customize the page so it matches your vision. This workflow is a huge time saver because it helps you move from design to development much faster. So to recap, open Figma, open your design, go to Plugins, search for Framer, install the Figma to HTML with Framer plugin, activate it, select your design, copy it, then paste it into your Framer project. That's the full process. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Figma and Framer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.